Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
Cereal playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home a BLACK+DECKER cordless hand vacuum. Portable and affordable at your favorite stores from BLACK+DECKER.
You've got enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else, so why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell Cleanview vacuum with 1 pass makes cleaning fast and simple. powerful suction and an innovative brush roll, get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the Cleanview Dirt Bin shows you the proof. The Cleanview is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the Cleanview vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell Cleanview with one pass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.